Ford rehires 300 engineers after AI fails at quality. Lately, the tech industry has been selling the message that AI can do more, faster, and cheaper than humans. Ford Motor Company just offered a reminder that reality can be a little more complicated. The automaker says it has rehired more than 300 experienced quality engineers after discovering that AI systems alone were not delivering the level of quality the company expected. Just as many companies have been aggressively expanding their use of AI, Ford embraced AI across parts of its business. Executives said the company deployed AI throughout its industrial operations, including installing roughly 900 AI-powered cameras inside factories to spot defects and quality issues. The goal? Catch defects early, boost quality, and slash costs. On paper, it was the textbook definition of a perfect AI use case. Reality, however, had other plans. Ford CEO Jim Farley himself has previously said AI could leave many white-collar workers behind. But according to Ford executives, the systems simply weren't as effective as hoped. Charles Poon, Ford's vice president of vehicle hardware engineering, has now admitted that the company made a critical mistake. Ford believed feeding design requirements into AI systems would automatically produce better vehicles. It didn't. And the company found that automated systems cannot replicate decades of hands-on experience. As Poon pointed out, artificial intelligence is a fantastic tool, but it's only as good as the information you use to train it. Many veteran engineers who had worked through multiple vehicle generations had previously left the company. Along with them went years of practical knowledge about manufacturing, design flaws, and quality issues that aren't always documented in manuals or datasets. Ford has now brought many of those experienced workers back. Their role is not just to inspect vehicles, as they are also helping to train Ford's AI systems and mentoring younger engineers.